Good morning and welcome to Time Zone Tuesday. I'm here, Mrs. Baker, with my fat cat Curly. Look at that guy. Hi, Curly. Yeah, he's not impressed. Anyway, I'm here to talk to you about time zones. So, did you know that there are 6 time zones across our continental United States? That's right, 6 time zones. So as you're making your map today, remember that. The time zones go all the way around the globe, and there are 24 total. Now, that makes sense because there's 24 hours in a day, and as the Earth rotates around, we end up completing an entire day and going through 24 time zones. But as we look at ours on the East Coast, it's important to know where everybody else is in the world, especially if you have family or friends you want to reach out to, or if you have maybe a sports event that you want to watch on TV, to find out where it is in the world so that you can adjust your time to that event. For example, it is 8 a.m. here on a Tuesday morning, and it's absolutely lovely. Oh, Curly decided to say hi. Nope. He's done. Anyway, so it is 8 a.m. on a Tuesday here on the East Coast. But I have family all the way out in California, 3 time zones away, which means it's only 5 a.m. where they are. Same day, but 3 hours earlier. We're 3 hours ahead of them. So I'm not going to give them a call this morning, not until a little while later. And then since they are 3 hours behind me, when it's midnight here, it's only 9 p.m. there. So they'd better not call me when it's 9 p.m. their time. I'll be asleep. Also, I wanted to tell you about how it was when we were in Japan. So we lived in Japan for a few years, and Japan is 13 time zones away. Japan is 13 hours earlier, or farther along, not earlier, farther along than the East Coast. So while it is 8 a.m. on Tuesday morning here, it is 9 p.m. on Tuesday there, which means they've already completed today. They're almost into tomorrow, and we're just starting today, which I think is really neat. And it was fun when we had birthdays or Christmases, and we were able to celebrate almost 2 days in a row, because we would celebrate for our time zone and then also for our family's time zone. However, when we had sporting events like the Super Bowl happening over here on the East Coast, they were all watching it at, 5 o'clock p.m., 6 o'clock p.m., we were watching it the next morning at 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. So instead of getting to enjoy a nacho bar and chicken wings and all of those great Super Bowl snacks, we were having breakfast casserole. Anyway, it's good to know the different time zones for a lot of reasons. Now, I don't expect you to know all of the time zones in the world right now, but what I do want to see is a map of the United States, either printed or drawn. I would like for you to separate it into the different time zones. Remember, there are 6 across our United States. I'd like each time zone to have its own label, which means name it for me, give it its own color, and then pick a day, a date, and a time, and show me how that progresses across those time zones. I'm excited to see what you guys come up with. I hope you have a great day, and I miss you guys. So send me a video here and there of what you guys are doing. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.